Ghana did 69 years so far. Your assessment so far and going forward. Say ben na odwene say wo manyi se see a wa ban etimi se wo mo bomodin de go ahwe ne yi a wo man ne be koso na afa ne ntoma pa bi de efra na afi prosperity eda team and eda afi so building prosperity inspiring hope no etimi abemo
kakra me de metimi aka ne say enam say politics me de say me friend politric on say political party bia ne let's say bibia ope nti wo pe we me pe we by yenye enemies
yes
but at the end of the day no see to abani we are come together na bibia ye kama but kakra metimi aka kire yen mpanyimfo ne say no kreni ye ade pa but this elections they didn't try it at all because yani abre
okay
and MPP for so abre wo mode mpacho muntie mi and MPP for so abre wo mode but see a person next elections and I see a party need to meet jina I was so ye bibia yenso party for no mani be ye den ebeji
okay
but see anya ne sane assume say ye de so abofo enti bibia ni say MPP kone de MPP fo akọ na NDC fu osu no mu yesi me fi say nyama me de me ebe example me can me so hwe
okay
ya de makoto National Population Council ya de me koto ho no mu no be me na enye nyame a nka me free kama free sa group ni mu but nyankopon ne party ni nti minimo bia wo ho enti no edru sa mo committee sa na eno sa na mti ozu na me hwe wo mu mini baby akosesa wo mu fiye maka mini baby akofiri wo mu fiye at least minimum ena minimum ene ye be hu sania ye be bon komani hu sania ye be soso ne ememu amana ye den amana ye yi just imagine the committee bi na me ye late me ntumi enu ho ma kire ye frame me amekoya 500 Ghana wa wo hwa Anita di so 500 Ghana ne de ni pe gumachi 500 Ghana ede ma me anam de ma driver so okoye kofi omo nkoche na omo pa ye nya de esa omo aye me ni omo wo ko minimo bia enti ekofo omo hefa na National Population Council ye yi wo omo mu na ye to ho na me kwa na mto odin na me hwe ho enti ebo say ye party na ye ade a ye nya ni yie ye hwehwe ni mudodo me meka untumi ntume enfre NDC ni mu ye nya ade esa enkrofo lament say adani akofa e wa abra bi wo ho ye betumi akọ no ho ama na ye den ama na boa yen ye hu say elections ni ye no ya ansore keke ne win ye nipa breye o de o pa monko Flagstaff House na monko hwade me ko ho wo mo minimum mo no enu 10%.
Wow.
Maka na nkrofo frɛ ma ni tane ye ni o ma ni tane ye ni o ma ni takabi ma ye na de America ni ofia ha ye nya de esa at least ye wo mu dada no na wo so wo fa ye tu baabi enti se ye nua no mo ba ni atumi ahu so wa simasi na wonya hoode na watumi aye den watumi aye adwuma na mo eba sa fe ye nkwala na start ya de aba no kra ya bre ye ntubiem aba no kra ya bre ye ntubiem enye nice enti me de me fa wa fidie so fidie ye nyina de me nia ba ma de me fa no maka kire ye mpanyimfo no so omo nsesa before it's too late because baby ani ama na ekono enya de ebeboa yen yatumi anya hoode nyankopon aboa yen ala aboa yen ya ye adwuma kese sei at least o de me nia ba ma ekwa NDC fo no ba omo nim
sure
ya ba wo Owusu nim untumi nya kra ba ye kakra mo na makoso sabo mo aye nim o mo se group unity a National Population Council maka mini o mu bia
e wo honom no
awo meeting na se group na se nti me kwa no asam ti wo se na me hwe mu din na me hwe mu din na me come baby oba panyina etese me ma committee mini honom 500 Ghana maka na nsa wo sa ye meeting bi ma ntumi anya ho anko ye frɛ me memaji 1400 na cha se fi see ba eko 2 years afa na Anita di so enya 1405. Is it fair?
1009.
Maka, is it fair? A brand new pa bre, is it fair?
Na mum say so dey wo
me kanya me nko bra me ka go for mo be gu me so ana no se me nka bi ma mo na me de me di aka ho
me to say but wo ye pani pa party mu why ye vice chairperson Ediama party why ye vice say opposition no bebre na one national women organizer why ye deputy national deputy propaganda secretary Ediama NDC it is niema bi ekoso na se wani enyi wo mu a empanifo base ana bia obetimi akom ho na ne omakwakodin komo se niemi komunia na niemi fasoni na enya dia memani je ho enti sabe de muni hu dwuma mfema me what mean
my ye bisa na emo mpanyin bi okra wo abuku appointment no enche be ka kire wo say ama ye busy nti no be na ko
so asad na won se de nya panyin bia ne ni san se
me panyin na me menya ne se me pia bonte na maka se ne wo se meka na meka cause ebin mo ho me ba yansa na omo ba ti maye ne emeye na maka ne emeka na still yen kola ni isu amaka because omo ba no aka cho mse mu de munya abotre omo se ma ye nya abotre nkosi da ba elections ba ye de ebe free mise and de munyim free
yes
because I must say MPP for bebre no omo kura no e feel big e chen nti me de me fam ofidie su bi maka kire mpanyimfo no say politics ne ye enya politics Sani ya ne kanen.
Yes.
Yenya ne sa. Because let's assume say o de mo pese mo hwe paper we mu say be ya akromfo mu ane ache wo ma ye no krenso ache 1 year plus. Aka how many years?
2 years.
Ntino ya nhwe ye fie ye konkwala no ho mbeti. Nkwala no mbeti. Omuntie. Ntino me fa fidie so na maka kire ye mpanyimfo say niema ekoso no omun sesa enya sa me di nkrofo ni ma ye demonstration
Masimo me ye hwe Independence Day celebration also
no so no na ye me to me no na ye very good sani e call ye na de efe
okay
efe na parties nyina ka bom ni bibi anka yetumi ye bibi asa
yes
anka ntokwa bi entumi nsi wo Ghana ha me pa so ati ase because MPP for do so omo frɛ yenko yenso edru ye so yenso ye frɛ omo ko enti no group na omo tumi organize ye no omo nyine wo omo ho na because me de mani soye na me gidi say e de odo ebeba ye mu saw ye MPP saw ye NDC emre ne so ye nyine nkohia ye wi ane akoye ye politics enti mani je ho enti no organizers no omo ayade pa
very well. So Osha from 2017 Sikana yadidi 6 March Okroma 2017 under the MPP that is Omo Ba Abemono first 6 March Omudi Ghana spending 20 million Ghana cedis and the Independence Day no 2018 Ghana spending 18.5 million Ghana cedis and the 2019 almost spend a year $3 million allocated 16.5 million spent 2020 almost spending 13 million Ghana cedis and a year Independence Day 2021 almost Jubilee House na hokrano almost spending 10 million Ghana cedis in 2022 no Cape Coast 16 million Ghana cedis. Na didi Ghana at Independence Day, 2023, wamu yenwo ho, wamu yusu 13.7 million Ghana cedis. Na didi Independence no. Na fe 2024, the wamu yenwo kufodi ano, the second highest and the third highest since 2018-2017 no. 2024, wamu yusu 17 million Ghana cedis. And a DD, your friend is saying 6 March, 2025 last year, and 2025, and it's your buying a 900,000 Ghana cedis. And 2026, Owusu, I think 200,000 Ghana cedis ana ewahanom. Na uhwe sika sabre NDC aban edidi independence okromo compared to the previous administration, which is the MPP and Nana Kweku Annan, difference in super. Then I will can't be a fasa in Semiso.
Made a cacra met me, I can say by 1 year, 4 months, 2 months, 2 months, 2 months,
and March in a way, so 2 months, 2 months, yes.
If we say a minute summer, I will say MPP for no, you started to warm us. Se court near do umbeku, I hear near do umbeku, I was see a yen in them. Because ya nye ama and crofo for friend who say no crania, and I am forgetting about politics. Crofo to me do a jim.
Sir, Asuchi be ma.
Asuchi,
Crofo so I'm okay, Mangana.
Yes. Because who say, oh, dear, me know you're fine.
Yes.
Yinti and yashi. Jai, one more cassa, one bebre. Cassa on bebre, cassa on baffle, but when Uncle Foy, almost sent Fatano do Muhabe room. Now say, Kura. Because just imagine, Shesika wing,
yes.
Our the heading.
Independence Day celebration.
I mean, when into saying yet me, says a kaki to a week.
900,000.
That 900,000. Now would in millions. On this kind of heading. I was say, Yansu ya banner, sorry, near peg group will be a one bit me investigate. And she say, a dear day, and one day, and yes, maintenance sending in our cry, and yano crane big car. Not your bab on team baby, it would deter others from repeating it. Because yan she next time say, yeah, say, dear, yes, rabofo. Yanhwe ye diamond wo mo bo mbe di achen we on beka say NDC for kra na sabi o mo sen wo mo nesen ye tumi ye wo mo bibia ba wo mo ba o mo ntumi yankwa na ye pe heaven akwa na e wo sa ba ne tenase na wo mo kọ sanye ma we nyina mu enti so mo sika bi wa ban no ana se wo mo fie bia ne ye sizi ye yes next time no beka say man hwe ye a na say ni say until next time maybe I know call US or Concrofobia or more better because hey and you so begu ye company anymore say am problem near more you I know you better now Shesika bebrebe with some bet me calculate am me say I read say sika
nti o share so compare prices said that no now share the His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama ni NDC aban buy maya not just say President is saving Ghana within 2 years and now 2 independence celebrations. You know, we're saving Ghana by almost 28 million Ghana.
Because Sawosha, where you 900,000 now about 200,000 and say 1.1 something million. But Shehano 20 million, 18.5 million, say 17 million. Aden, and no was see a chow mason. No more bet him. Near to a more court to say there. And any penning in Anna were one side. Near do a mokosabe a bed deter others from repeating the same mistake. And yes, next future, one bomb baby, but see to make sure Sanyama winner near Janasu so moon for second beam at least so do a for 50% about Ubamuska being yet remember. By Yadin. I didn't know what's a bassa. Say ye to me, you sue 900,000. One would the Adentina 20 million, 18.5 million, 16.5 million, 13 million, 10 million, 16 million, 17 million, and I had a and drew 1 million. Adding, I was saying penny for no media almost sorry, and yes, almost will be a cock. Now, fair dear cockot near 20 years, and near the laws be a bar. Next time no be obebebiano obeshen husuyi mpacho so atemasensi I hope say one be take sa discussions ya na wo mo de aye bibi say be ya e kina bi yeni ho wo mo ba wo mo nim se mra wo ho nti wo mo ya emra de be yes they will be held accountable nti e bi e be ka say within a year no president for no more offices no e bi mo be use be 2 million a year we dem say about says can send the parliament for na akako
yes
and to me am na ngoro so and anka says can be ebenya no ne de besiesie krom ne de bu ahiafo no ye ye ni bi no no de amai mo fa nya adwuma na ye amai den mo chi amai na mu yusu se sika we nyina e wa bra NDC nkwan ba hwe sika ketewa wi en wanya enti no me mpanyimfo ne chew enya wo mu ntini e ka Ghana ntini e ka Ghana nti ya sore esi eniska enso hwe wo nkwan so osono de osono so ntati na ewura ne hwenim enti no me sra mpanyimfo se president ne mpanyimfo no mo hwe na se de constitution e yi bi amendment bi beba na yen
question to ma sebedwem say independent day celebration e 1 million use e 2 million use it is so bana say udi bro so a
na mra na wa penesa say betumi save scan e de aboa ya ye frame cross ye omo de bia aboa ankrofo
very well me da say Maminko Kofi Abusia Penny ho. When we yeshe Independence Day celebration so far Ghana the 69 years. Said you were may akuta be pem sabri and send near matino. Then I walk their phone.
But I'll say the Minchia will be the Minchia production team. Yeah, for beginning the na aglo for the GJN. It's my 2 feet.
To crapping for some major also. You remember the
would you could be on us about trade one abre. Women crank were doing to be able. Baba to know you could do a woman to go so you will be what you feel in some son of a background.
In the first vice,
yes, will not will be wham in some when you not to go so maybe quadun they say near ma woton adini bi ye okurom ha no e ma wotwa aduan dia obi wo wa ye mu bi wo yare da ho obi ani wo no nti no wahwe adidi mu ye den nti na wakotwa kwadu abeg go na se be the cabat ani adi gusu na bere man kwadu na ukawa say inside
that video bi a me hwede adi bi is a liquid substance na kwadu bunu no
no de awuram
omo de awuram ehihim ne kakra sa obe na bere.
Can you imagine? And I kosu aburubemu
ni na me no madro some consistency me no madro more than 2 years me no madro
wow
me home family me no say adwuma de na fe ma rest nsuo na me no cold water we normal way na mepe
wow
because who nyini a I was so we very very tough and yes sir ube se we sika nyina wo ho ene ye de we be ma wonu wi e kina ne ama
no mama ofoforo
nti ube de ho ne yeje
wow
nti I was say nyina ye very careful
yo nti ye da say na 69th independent anniversary no
yes
mama brought us some nostalgia my kain kampa ye ko school na say do sa time na emmeya ye maame no mo ne ade nyina maachi bi
okay
wonga tongade wo gwam ti dem say e the memories aba e the nostalgia wonga tong ngu wo tombrode eni ade adraba fukura be baachi bi ebi mo de lord stia fe say na my year 69 mi bi ache pa wo Ghana na say it's true say ye independent Ghana nya freedom ni si baby ti say wo say e dunkwa hwene amebum ti gu kurom hye yellow eti gu kurom na me wa na say kwapem kura ni yebetumi aye bio we can adopt it and also do similar
sure
when we say yellow yebetumi aye white said the no come akra betumi obi betumi replicate their course no e de niema pa ene sene nipa akonko nkoasumu na freedom na ba no so obi to be I say wako ekurase na wonama wakoko ato wade so yaso otchere no to so na oba na wo sang na baby obesang no da ho but we na sue no huru na fie wo so o free abo say dia o huru vai no na Ghana fu akomun na ya ma memo road market giye when was the last time I wo be say mrewa e match when was the last time a painful e hospital to me match say yen ko match bi na yen freedom aba which say resetting agenda no adwuma
okay
look at the number of amount for the past 8 years in Kofi say no mikika bo mo no nya 124.7 billion
independent
for 8 years 124.7 billion in Ghana sika titi sika no 100 and that is 100 and the percent of busika ni ye na 12.7 trillion.
Okay.
12.7.
So what the old
currency now.
But new currency, 124.7
billion Ghana cedis. I was saying, no. Nyan people for me woman yemening. Mufra tin riase. Mufra etin riase ko school.
Independence Day keke.
Independence Day. Say young Ghana kwang kasam prempenya yeti John Mahama no ye Ghana kwang. Hospital keke. Na do de nano. A car hospital agenda 111 okoya ko bula lafo polyclinic obugui 4 years went to be and see beseska we will to be nyan expend we ni abango betima yenkong so for 8 solid years it is a ma apinfo ko bom no wo komachi a wodimi dia wo ntia wo komachi emerwa kodo wo komachi a wodimi dia ntia wo komachi emi a wo tongade wo gbam wonim se ka sika we wo a enka wo for the 24-hour economy market na abami ya sika e dia to wo nsidi nka ni wo betumi esi awie
akonfo so kra komachi
akonfo wote akonfo ka kura awo kura mu yamfi ahini wo kura bo wo se nyanya ye freedom wonpo which woman your freedom wo manyim enti President Mahama bekasa no tie 69th anniversary no you see yeah the description bit to so it was modest celebration but also beautiful at the same time na you modest and you say obi on say asare wa o hwe ne ho no de amwen ne bu
okay
what I say yes. Because Ghana no ahia nkrofidi enkom no obrempom enya de ketu aya ne kan ye de nan baby say obi with 70 years 80 years edini ska koto wo na bagni to be first can say me fama na kama businessman like kama papa we e wona na nkrofo koyin meeting ya de conference center na papa na nkasa say do baby 1,000 cities keke obi lanchi book no invite no say 1,000 cities kuro ni bi because amanga je diska papa de ahomete within or cancer say within 6 months man you know we a former chief justice it to me demonstrate continue o ka chen say e fe the padlock na mo de atoma no me gabby baba ka bi o say we pin brain we failing a law exams or be come answer who appointed him to do that? Mami bia se mo kan me say no de da metima be say okogina wono say ade e ne ya wono say onu ne cousins too wakobere wa brochiri no waba and why investment na ne cousins no sebesebi o wo wadwene yare kakra wo ye twin
okay
it is cano jemfaso no bosombia na ode hwe won na bang we be jays on money scabon money access na ma men didi nua ni nua mo no be gira demonstration na say ma be no se ma me kan opie ni wo Ghana ha
ampa cho nti e ba ye 1 year plus nti de ne
ye no kware me ba so me wo kana me Tróuble bi to ho me ba so
okay
na president kasa no eno kasa 6 days ago and me call parliament house ko ye so na and me ye honest o mangni te dia ye won me ko ka ni nyina akere o mangno and economic gains ayenya no edini na ye nti sei wo be sei o mangno bo mangna se tokuru wo so nya biribi ama wase a emo no kro no hwe mami kas ekuapem papa bi sa asem we see you papa bi de na ase tena Tróuble auro grass
yes
o no timi na ase betinam onisko betu ama na ase na ase na boso te o no twai o twa na ase na boso o twai wo kapim ne si o twa na ase aboso no ni iska ni bi tiai ana obi kyerem wakanim wa ro grass ani na MPP for the baye yen wo manyim wo bori yen bra yen su these people ye ka say haircut we need to be nyakukutu kasa the president kan ni nyina no ka chen say pepi ayedu ni yen fasting yen bed
yes
like that be take it off gains in economic gains, it will make sure that we protect it.
Amen.
South Yase, na Yakuyenim. Na Enuna, Yakana, Ebrimontia, say, baby to say tall 8 solid years. Penidu or can say beach reme. Was 7 years and coffee with better woman increase one salary. Tall workers here, you must 7 solid years, you and Tionka, Yantuanga Kemuda. And so, we change chief executive of MD Makumako 7. Every year we change. No be about what be auto wangaketium. And no combat and the Mustafa Ababetenaho Jones Adeyo and the Esther Adiname and Allen. One will to me about more than about 1 year will be uncle leave what order. This is a sacrifice I'm for making. Resetting agenda. It is tough for to my way and say, we better not say Esther Adiname or Bano. And yeah, if we say, Mama, they count to me sacrificing. What's a bare 1 week? No, be a yano Joe, be a roger, and now so on year. Wow. Yes. These are the people. Winston, they punish him. Be away, you do not pray in 1996. What's your NDC? Or no head of laboratory. MPP for by 8 years, and we in what in the court security. Or co-protest in Wakata of lab. Winston. Oko protesting will catch and say, I had the cell stay here. And I'll be coffee. And I'll be coffee. No, no, you're in my maintenance security. And now they are not the organic as I know. No, yes, I win. I know the president. And look at gain away gains of much better. I know the MPA. Loyado Jitabagro. Yes. Look at what he's doing there. I don't know because now within 4 years, when you put it to me at all, Abrosam Makumaku 10. Ato tipa truck and you do 14 Emmanuel Mustafa Hamid. Wallahi, we have to rescue Ghana. And look at this. But lawyer Edward Tamakulu had to be the Numa Ato Okwem. Sassika wing na Kabana Baba say the petrol who are Korean Nanipa Bredo and now Abani Samin says Caro. Sika say last year, Ekopimeneno said, I am just about 1.1 million. You're coming in Abu 1.5 million. You're coming in Abu 15 billion. 1 year, Kofu is spending 200 billion. 20 billion, I said, 20 billion Ghana citizen. Ekoti is coming 200 billion. Billions are 200. And what did he? So 20 million, 16.5 million, 165 billion. And who did you? Yes. And who did you anniversary? Yes. It is modesty and beautiful. As Americano, this is the president. Otchere Kwai. Say Ghana food now when you here. Send your bayer or money by day a betum. As they say, Ghana for suicide and microphone. And no, they see make us say. One, me to me atena say, me sister Penny, me to me atena say, oh, they are all kind of so. You know, you but no question is a share the beer. Me, answer the mebaso no. Me, I mentioned this soon say, in Quebec to me, Chief Justice are Otisui. Almost Crawford sacrifice Yamanapa into a now ni Dean Uncle. MPP and a buy a Akufo move President Akufo. And no buy no be catch Ghana for say NDC for yakorofo into onim say on to be yeli obi anya no no akote the court to be aye friend no fast track court to deal with NDC and na Victor Salome o yare da kunyam wo ko trial should be onyam need to say kwame pepra these people jail him abudaki people don't know Sepayanki, Honorable Sepayanki, Doctor. Chachu Chikata.
And to my question, they say, Uncle soon, boy, I'm near Dabai.
And into the make us say, fast track court to now what away. Maybe Antichiri and Sasa yet to be any.
Special court,
special court on what the Baba dealing with galamsey for Niade. Some what kind
option issues in count.
One franca, no one yan 20 Chief Justice I extend to say one pump.
24-hour court.
One more than one year, and a joke with winning Crawford. And I can't see a better tribunals. Or more than faces in the Quemo. Now you say criminal cases, you know, because your justice system, you know, President Tankasa Sona no kind, or say a grandy slowly. But then you have a better. Yammo said, no one dealing with them. And they should deal with them because MPP. say Yanjeli MPP fu be 5 Yanjeli MPP
Oma ye boni
ya gani awon aye boni na nye won oblepom say Ken Ofori Atta te Ghana o so no ane ono no ni Bible quotation Ofori Atta kotina burochi if you was one family go to prison no pe Ofori Atta bla ukro mo se mitwo ye me yawo Ofori Atta uga kase Ofori Atta braga no se ma akro na yaba Ofori Atta bra mitia me yawo bra wo ukro mo wonya boss yo se meto ba kwa atia
na den no be so be ba
obinim mu ya mo so de boni ni tawodo nobody tawodo de boni ni gba obi ala tawodo mu na obetina say you can never run away and leave your children e wa mo kire birim and now your people your children need you obi a wo white and now black e wo aburochiri prison
pacho me misa question enti abasa no enti enso ya oti aban mu abaye na ewa aban
yes
enti kwan bi eni we betumi afa report no ama hofo no
we go so
explanation
one say the enti a wo chiri for Atta no bebiri enim enya America for na anko adwene e Ghana Attorney General eni Ghana aban no so won nkitamudi eni ade eno na mo wo chiri no a se o nsem na mom wakofa lawyer se kuku dampa former Attorney General of America and one lawyer be come with semi credential about no make acquire credentials and he only so bit to pay one and he's paying them to defend him and it's like because for that abroad we see aborosanwa ha wo data bank wo companies ahoro without them may see be found for that say when you boss you say my ass here me yawo boss you say from Ghana
any answer the back home
so what you say
any answer start here no one kasaba
go so any the minim say Attorney General ni amani where behind the scene yi nti the aye kan say no kwari ni abaya bomoden na nsem okan ewo 69th you know wa hye ye nyina nkurai wa ka che say wunim thing ni kura na e me dedom o say building prosperity inspiring hope building prosperity inspiring hope
yes
say prosperity na e ba no enyo ba kofu ade anything na na market women tumi nya akukuduru ka kire o say niema na ba papa ba watete o say
so what share so far 1 year 2 months in NDC
yes
prosperity no more building hope no
yes
bagana
yes you see let me tell you this you a Greek minister uni madia why or northern region
Debbie
yes wako training a mama kumako 300 Mrs. Anita Bomodia find out 300 for a Greek mechanization what to me repair a Greek you know and 300 but to me over 280 a man edwanga ako share not factory no wakonya a company ewo abrochiri edwanga ba ema wo to me aba Kweku Annan about almost 300 amu ebubu ya ene muniema a wo betu be dia akofum akwakoye share not ho adwuma because sisi wo to me akoka kira abrofo ne say sa share not na wo nya ne free no se bebre enim se share not be yetumi de chocolate abrofo no woni chocolate
yeah
share not to do it's wako
maybe that
yes
call woman be
good yes it is a wako ka kira we say share not to ye fa export to answer na mo de bakodo mumra mebie ne factory wa
any cashew nut yeah
enti no kwere ni prosperity no eba and nyame ncha de say president Atumia Kansi su ben said this year Women's Bank no ebe yadwuma ema me no atumi anya baabi memmo ma de ha me say me pam pen no focho finance ministry mo hwe na mo nti mo ni nkohwe maslok because da no me bi nso ba me ho ebe kas wo ko ha wonya hwe but me investigation nso ne say we release funds bi ama won maslok atumi recoup about 1.5 million Ghana cedis if you can release any funds for them let them use that money no fa mo miano me emia society president na kasa kan emia society pre Ghana obi ayeye
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.